back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsea. Beauty is my duty. Back with an autumn makeup tutorial. Now I'm aware it's been a while. I have took a little bit of a break off YouTube recently, but now I'm back and I'm so excited to get back to filming some makeup tutorials for you guys. So today I created this lovely autumn makeup look to show you, and some of the products that I've been loving lately are also included in this video, including some Rare Beauty products, some Bperfect cosmetics products and other products from my favourite brands as well. So if you like makeup tutorials, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up guys, and subscribe down below to join the beauty family. Let's get straight into the tutorial. So I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the Bperfect Cosmetics Synchronised palette, and the colour story is kind of on the back here as well. So I'm super excited to be using this today. So I am going to start with putting a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. So this is the e.l.f. concealer. It's the hydrating camo concealer. I only need the tiniest amount, really, as you can see. And then I am going to be using a new tool. I don't know if anyone's seen these actually. I think they're Korean, and they are these silicone blending products. I think they might be part of the K-beauty, Korean beauty trend, and they are really good at blending out concealer. So I am just going to be blending this on my eyelid. I have also already done my eyebrows off camera because I really struggle with those being far away. This is the Express Brow by Maybelline. What shade is it? Soft Brow. And then I used the Archery Brow by Soap and Glory. I started a teaching degree and I finished that over the summer really, so I was really pleased with that. So now I'm qualified to teach if I wanted to. I just thought that I would show you, if I turn the palette over, how beautiful is this palette. Look at the shimmers in the middle row. They're so nice, aren't they? So I'm thinking I'm going to do like a brown with a pink shimmer. The top one is so beautiful. Or the middle row maybe for autumn. We'll see. We'll see where the makeup look takes us. And go over the whole of the eyelids with this. So I'm just going in with Fortune all over the eyelids to set the, you know, concealer in the right places. So we're just popping that all over the eyes, like so, making sure that we blend. I'm going to go in with Change, which is a slightly deeper brown, and we're going to sweep this across the outside of the socket of the eye. So we're just going to focus that on the outer corner of the eye and blend upwards. This adds warmth to the eye, especially for like autumn. When I do my eyeshadow, I like to stick with warmer tones generally. Creating like, you know, circular motions on the outer portion of the eye. I'm going to add a little bit of Fuse on the outer corner, which is like a brown shade. Right, and I'm going to keep this gently blending as closest to the outer corner as possible. And we're just doing the same on this side. So we're almost stamping the colour. Okay, and we're just bringing and building up that kind of shape. Make sure the eyeshadow is all nicely blended. This type of brush with a flat edge, and I'm just going to go into Collaborate, which is a really light and bright eyeshadow shade, and I'm just going to buff that. I'm going to do the same here. So we're just building up that shimmer and adding some more for extra sparkle. And I'm going to smudge that out. I've been really loving applying this and smudging it out. So what I do is I apply this on the outer portions of the eyes. Like so, and it just adds like that kind of dimension to the look, really. And then what I would do is blend this out with a fluffy brush. So that is what the eyes look like right now. I'm just going to apply the tiniest little bit of concealer to my under eyes, like so. And this is the e.l.f. concealer I used on my eyes. Blending this under the eyes, and then I will use a bigger brush to disperse this. I'm just making sure that it's all under the eyes. So it just looks like this, and it has like a spongy end, so it's supposed to simulate fingertips, and I got this from TK Maxx, and with the rest of that I will just, you know, and then we're going to disperse the product under the eyes. And I'm just going to use my fingers because sometimes the best tool you can use for makeup is your fingers. And now I am going to get a nice and clean powder puff, like one of these things. These are really great for powders, and I am going to apply this powder to my face. I'm going to start under the eyes. Look at that. See, I told you it's good. It's so good. And I'm just doing one little swipe because this powder foundation definitely goes a long way, and I love it. I've been loving it for years now. I think MAC is probably one of the, like, this product is one of these products that you can just use in years and years time and you'll still love it. It's one of those products that you can have in your kit and still really enjoy using. Go in with the kohl liner and put this black in my waterline. It just makes your eyes pop. And then I will go and curl my eyelashes before I apply mascara. I'm just going to apply some mascara to the top lashes. I haven't really been using false eyelashes recently either, so I've just been embracing my natural lashes when they're curled. As you can see, the warmer toned eyeshadows bring out green in eyes as well. That's why I really like doing warmer eyeshadow looks. So I'm going to just zoom in so you can see. Look how long my lashes look with that mascara. And that is by using the Bubble Colossal Mascara. I absolutely love it. I love the way it makes my lashes look. And then I'm just going to be doing my bottom lashes with this as well. Don't like to put too much on the bottom, but just enough so that you can see. So I'm going to be using the blush pod in Soft Skin, and this is the kind of blush skin shade but better. So like it's a blusher and your skin but better in a blush. It's so cute. I love it. So this is the blush shade and that is the packaging. It's so cute. So I'm going to be dipping into this one. And what I do is I place it kind of like this and swipe it up. It's such a pretty kind of, you can see that glow, it's amazing. It's just beautiful. I don't really wear that much bronzer these days because I think the blushers are just beautiful. It's so cute. And to top it off, I use two highlighters. Now, my two favourite highlighters ever in the world have got to be the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Show Gold. This is what it looks like. And then this is what the highlighter looks like. It's such a beautiful, beautiful rose gold with reflex of like glitter in, but it's like you're a fairy, literally. It's like just so beautiful. I use the highlighter brush that I told you about earlier. I swirl it in and I go to the highest points of my cheeks and I just swipe it backwards and forwards like so. I then do the same until I'm happy with the amount of highlight. And put a bit on the end of my nose and down the bridge as well. My favourite ever lipstick by Rare Beauty in the shade Joy. I'm just going to apply that. It is like a lip oil stain. This is glossy, but it's a lip oil and a stain in one. Once the gloss has worn off, it leaves a lovely stain on your lips which lasts all day, which is absolutely perfect. So I highly recommend that you grab one. They are currently on sale as well, and the packaging is just so luxurious. Look at that. Thank you for watching if you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to join the beauty family. And I really hope you enjoyed this look, and I'll see you next time.